Beautiful day at St. Augustine Beach. Beginning of November. Nice fall day in St. Augustine, Florida. Mid to upper 70s, light breeze, plenty of sunshine, and plenty of beach. Fun fact, just last year, the sand you see now was all the way out past the pier. That's how much erosion happened in just over a year here at St. Augustine Beach. You could literally walk out on the sand past the pier, and probably about half or more of what they did actually build out to increase the size of the beach is all gone. And this was a year without any hurricanes that were threatening the area, so it's crazy, the power of nature. Beautiful day at the beach, St. Augustine, Florida.